Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a super healthy, protein and fiber rich salad recipe for weight loss. Ideal as a filling meal for dinner or as a lunch. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in half cup Chana Sattu. This is roasted chana, also known as Chana Sattu. 1 medium-sized tomato, deseeded and chopped. 1 carrot, chopped. Half of a cucumber, chopped. Half of a capsicum, chopped. For some extra protein and fiber, I'm adding in half cup boiled green mung dal. For some added crunch, I'm adding in 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. 4 to 5 shallots thinly sliced. Instead of shallots, you can also use half of an onion finely sliced. And I'm going to keep this aside. To make this salad dressing, I have already soaked 6 cashew nuts for about 10 minutes. Instead of cashew nuts, you can use overnight soaked and peeled almonds. Adding in the soaked cashew nuts, a small handful of coriander leaves, 1 green chilli or as needed, a small piece of ginger, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon black salt, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt. There is already salt in the roasted chana, hence add salt accordingly. 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. Squeeze in half a lemon. Add in 1/4 cup water. And I'm going to blend the salad dressing. And my salad dressing is ready. Pour half of the prepared salad dressing over the vegetables. Give it all a good mix. Transfer the salad to a serving bowl. Sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves and drizzle in the rest of the salad dressing. And my super healthy, protein and fiber rich salad is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy salad recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.